Hey, Facebook, happy Monday to you. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. We are so excited. We have a new toy. Not a new toy, a new piece of equipment. For us plumbers, it's a toy. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what this is. I will go ahead and do a demonstration down the road. I don't have everything completely ready for it. I'm still got to wait for the chemicals to come in that'll actually do it, but I'll go ahead and explain to you what we've got here. I just want to show it to you right here. But this is our newest piece of equipment. And what this is a pipe coating machine. So there you get a good look at it. It comes with all these hoses back here. You can see them right there. I've just got everything kind of piled here because we just barely got it off the truck. But what this is a system that we can take and put a coating of polyurea inside your drain lines without ever having to dig up your pipe inside the yard. So this is a way of fixing a drain line if it's got cracks or root penetration or holes in it, or it's got a little bit of a belly, not super severe bellies, but just a little bit of a belly. You can actually build it up. But this is so exciting for us. We got this. We had to go get that right there. This is a specialized little compressor we had to go get, and we put our little reel on the end. Basically, the way it works is it's a lot like a paint sprayer. It's kind of like, instead of having a gun, we have a head, which I'll show you right here. But basically the way it works is you put these two 5-gallon buckets on the sides of it. One will go right here, one will go right there, and then these hoses in the back will go inside those buckets. And basically it's a 2-part chemical. It dries in 15 seconds. The cool thing is it goes down the drain. This is the head, and basically what happens is it mixes the chemicals together right there, sends it down the tube and in through the head, and then that head spins based on air pressure coming from the compressor, and basically it coats the inside of your pipe all the way around. As we bring it through, we can run our camera in with it and make sure that we're giving you the proper coating. But we're just so excited to get this in. I've got the chemicals on order. Don't know when they'll be here. As soon as they get in, we're going to practice a few times in the shop here. We're going to run it over to a customer's house that I've dealt with forever. It seems like ever since I come to Rock Springs, I've dealt with this house and the plumbing there. They've got new pipe on the inside of the house, but we didn't do anything on the outside of the house because he had a sprinkler system, didn't want to replace it. And so basically what he's got is just a small amount of root penetration coming through. We're going to clear it out with the GI machine, which is this machine back here. We're going to clean it out real good with this machine here. Basically, that's a grinder for the inside of the pipe. We'll clean that pipe down real smooth, and then we'll take and use the coating machine to coat that polyurea inside there. That gives you a 50-year warranty, a 50-year warranty on your pipe. That means the rest of my lifetime, pretty much, you'll never have an issue with your pipes. So we are excited to get this pipe machine coming. We're excited to get it going. I'm just so itching to get the chemicals so I can just get started on it. But just thought I'd introduce you to our new machine. As soon as I get the chemicals, we'll do a demonstration here in the shop how it works. We're going to start selling this as soon as possible. We have the pricing and everything that we need. We are just so excited to get this going. This is an option for our customer that will save them from digging. It'll save them from having to replace that pipe without ever tearing up their lawn and their flower beds, their concrete, whatever it is. If we can get this all the way down inside, we can coat that machine from inside and make it a brand new pipe for them. So we are so excited for this. Hope you have a wonderful Monday. If you're watching live, type live. If you're watching replay, type replay. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow.